Tonight with some breaking news, and US media are reporting that basketball star Kobe Bryant has died in a helicopter crash in California. LA County Sheriff's Department say that all 5 people on board a helicopter have died in a crash, and an investigation is ongoing into the cause of it. Well, Ashna Hurinag joins me now. So, Ashna, what do we know about the helicopter crash so far?
Essentially, we understand the helicopter has crashed in Calabasas near Los Angeles in California. It's believed that 5 people were on board, and we're hearing that celebrity news site TMZ are reporting that the basketball player Kobe Bryant was on board. He was one of those 5 people who have been confirmed to have died. He is one of the most famous basketball players in the world. 41-year-old man. He's a father of 4, we understand it. His most recent child was born in June 2019, only last year. It's understood that his wife Vanessa and their 4 daughters weren't on board. But as I say, one of the greatest NBA players of all time is what he's known as, and he's used to doing this commute very often. He's used to using his helicopter, going back and forth between a bit of punditry, going to see games. So we're waiting to see whether that's fully confirmed.
Well, that's right. As you say, it's US media reporting this news at the moment, and these pictures coming into us now are showing emergency responders at the scene of a helicopter crash in California. Los Angeles County emergency responders there at the scene. And we have heard, as you were saying there, Ashna, from Los Angeles County Sheriff saying that 5 people have died in a crash in Calabasas, but they haven't identified the victims themselves, have they? The reports are coming from the media in America.